Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make pop art using Ibis Paint. Just follow the 3 main steps. Draw the outline. So first I'm going to choose a picture that I would like to draw. Let's go to the gallery and choose the picture. Select a brush. And by the way, I prefer using Dip Pen Hard with a size of 2 pixels. Next is to maximize the stabilizer up to 10 and turn on the force fade for 10%. I will also add one layer and rename it so that you can easily identify which layer I'm at. Let's go back to the rough layer and adjust the layer's opacity. Going back to the outline drawing layer, I'm gonna start to draw. I know this may take some time, so for now, just watch me draw this thing. Add some colors. You can also hide a layer to see your outline by pressing the I button. First, I'm going to color the shirt. I'm going to use the eyedropper to pick the color and adjust the color to make it look more vibrant. Don't forget to add another layer for the color of the shirt. Second, I'm going to color the skin tone. Again, I'm going to use the eyedropper and adjust the color to the right shade. Let's add another layer for the skin tone. The third thing that we need to do is to color the shapes, but first we need to pick a color. The fourth one is to color the hat. Again, I will be using the eyedropper to pick the color and adjust it again to get the right shade. The next thing that we need to do is to color the lips and nails. So for the lips, I'm going to pick color red and color the teeth with white. Then we are now going to color the background with light blue. Do not forget to merge the layers so it won't mess up with other layers. The last step is to make it pop. Open the color window and select the color for the shadow. Since the brush size is too big, let's adjust it to a smaller one. And trace all the shadow. Next, open the layer window and select the screen tone from the blend mode. This time I used .L12. It looks like the dots were dark, so let's change the color. But first we need to rasterize the layer too and lower the opacity. After that, we are going to add a new layer and turn on clipping. Go to the color window and adjust it to a lighter shade. Let's add another layer for the shadow of the neck and the face. Next, open the layer window and select the screen tone from the blend mode. This time I used .L12. Let's change the color of the dots. So go to the layer window and select layer 4 and lower the opacity. After that, we are going to add a new layer and turn on clipping. Go to the color window and pick the right shade. Let's outline the drawing with blue. Next, I'm going to draw some lines at the back, so let's add another layer. Then go to the directing tool window and choose the line. After drawing the lines, let's fill it up with a background of white color. But before that, let's turn off the directing tool. Next, let's add another layer, then copy and paste the white background. Then go back to the layers window and choose the .L16 from the screen tone. I think something is missing. Let me add another color. I guess it's time to finish it. Let's merge all the layers. And now we're done. Here's the before and after pictures.